How long does it actually take to shoot, let's say, a 3-minute short horror film?
It's probably like a 10-hour day.
10-hour day? Wow.
Yeah, so like I normally aim to do 3-4 pages max a day. And you know, like when I have different directors doing my shots, they're like, oh, I added 2 pages. And I'm like, well, let's compromise and cut, because then the more like pages you have, the more like the less time you can spend on shots and, you know, like really, you know, honing in on a performance. And I'm also like, I want it to be like a good quality too. I don't want to just like shoot 10 pages and it'd be less good than if I like really concentrate on like 3 pages. But there's always that push between whoever's directing and wants to add more to the script, and then me producing too, and like thinking about like how we're going to get it done. And especially because we work with smaller crews, because it's a smaller budget, everyone is wearing many hats, and there's maybe like 7 or 8 people on set max, you know. We've had more on some of our shots, but you know, don't want to rush anything if it doesn't need to be rushed, because it'll affect the quality, and then I'll overall end up cutting it in post.
And how long is a typical script?
Around the same, like 3 to 4 to maybe 5 pages, and I'll try and keep it in there. If I write it, I'll try and keep it there, or if I'm looking for a script from someone else, I'll be like, let's keep it in this range. Or if people are like, are you accepting scripts? I'm like 5 pages max for me to... I will read longer ones, but it just costs so much. Once you go over 5 pages, I'm like, then it's a 2-day shoot and the budget doubles. So I prefer those 1-page ones, the day shoot ones.
And are you using other people's houses, or are you doing the rental thing as well?
So we have mainly used other people's houses, and what's really cool about using multiple producers is you've got all them people asking all their family and friends, and it's not just like your network, it's using everyone's network. So it's actually not been hard to find locations in Pennsylvania, and I think because they're not used to film, people being like in their space all the time, they're like, oh my God, that's really cool, we would love you to film here. You know, it's not so much like, well, how much is it gonna be? You know, like, let's get a contract drawn up. It's more just about the excitement, and not so much about the being like tainted by the business and being like, well, let's think about everything that could go wrong and all that, which is what I think I will miss about Philadelphia, because they're not so, I guess, jaded to filmmaking.
Yeah, they're I think, well, that's the thing, LA, that people see the dollar signs, and that makes sense if they know that they can make money, you know.
Yeah.
I guess I could see why, but that's really cool, I think. Has anyone said, like, how did a nice girl like you get involved with horror and gore and like these scary things?
I've just always loved horror, and I think, and I have looked at, I actually did look that up. I was like, cause I was like, is it like, why do I like all this stuff? But I'm also like an adrenaline junkie, and I love like skydiving and like,
Really?
Thrill roller coasters, and I love anything what makes my adrenaline go up. And I was reading a study on like horror lovers, and it's all about the adrenaline that they feel when they're frightened, that like they love. That's why they watch horror movies. And I thought it was like a fascinating psychology. My mom said that when I was a kid, my favorite film was Beauty and the Beast. Said, but you would get so upset and frightened when the beast turned into the prince, because you were frightened of the prince and not the beast. And I was like, oh, well, that was probably a sign right there, you know.
So no scrapbooking or anything like that. You want to have something that gets your adrenaline going. And
yeah, like I find I like exciting things, you know.
How many times have you dived?
Only once, but I do want to do it again. But I just thought it was really cool and really freeing and relaxing. I don't know. I found it very relaxing and not, but also adrenaline. Like obviously because you're like jumping out of a plane, but yeah.
And you have someone that goes with you?
Yes.
Goes down? Okay.
Only first 3 times you have to tandem, which is with someone else, just in case you like don't pull a cord or something. Right. I know my friend did that, and she like they let you pull the cord, but they're there to do it if you don't pull it in time. And she couldn't find hers, and I was like, well, there you go. If you were jumping on your own, you would be dead.
Right.